Got a seat cover for this one here. Gonna be putting a seat cover on, black and red turf. We're gonna be putting on green and black turf on this one. And it's gonna be the whole process. Between on here, there's some dirt around the edges. So I'm gonna take a toothbrush and some cleaner, clean that out, and then wipe it down with alcohol. See, it's real bad over here on this side. All right, so we got all the holes scrubbed out and got all the dirt out. Now we're gonna wipe it, give it a quick wipe down with alcohol, heat it up real good, and then we're gonna slap the pads on, and then we should be good to go. All right, so I got it wiped out with alcohol. Got some hydro turf here. We're gonna take the turf out, we're gonna lay it out, make sure we know exactly where it goes. Get a little plan. All right, we got it all laid out on here. My only complaint is that the PWC muscle logo is facing inward, I guess, towards you, but man, I guess it's not that big of a deal when you're riding it, but when you're standing on the side, it's kind of weird. All right, I got my plastic welding gun out. I'm gonna use that to heat up the hull, and we'll be good to go. Pressure sensitive adhesive, so you got to press on it and put some good pressure on it. Just redo all these steps on that side. The wife actually already scrubbed that side, so all I'm going to do is wipe it down with alcohol, heat it up, slap them on, and she'll be riding comfortable. Alright, so I got the seat all done. No ripples or anything, gotta let it sit out in the sun. But first we're gonna put this strap on. Got it angled towards the front. Going to measure it out, cut some holes, rivet it down, good to go. so we're back out here on day 2. We're gonna get the turf installed on the trixx. We should be ready for the weekend. Oh, and I got the HydroTurf seat cover on.